Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let me go and give you another latest update from the ongoing maintenance of Anambra International Cargo Airport concerning the road. So today being Wednesday, I pay that place a visit again to go and see what is actually going on, because the last time I visited there, I gave you update concerning the Onitsha Oka Express road, which I was thinking maybe they wanted to resume work, but later on I found out that they just want to kind of dredge the place and make it motorable for those who will be returning back using the airports or something. So today I went back there because I saw something that get me confused when I filmed that video, which I made mention in my video that I don't actually know what they wanted to do there. So today I visited to go and check what they're actually doing there. But one thing I noticed that all the place they kind of dredged or leveled along that road are still the way it is. The only thing is that I just found somewhere, which is what you are just watching now, that they kind of smooth that place or pour it a sand and smooth it. So I don't know if they want to do it down to where I made mention, down to that Okoso Junction side or something. But my major concern today is what I saw, concerning the thing I made mention in my last video that I'm saying I was confused. So today I finally see where the work is heading. So they have finally linked that airport road. They link it to the direct to the express, and mainly watching at the whole thing, you notice that this is just a temporary work. It's not a permanent something, because this kind of connections is not making sense to me. It's not making sense, though. It's just for temporal, maybe for those returning for Xmas that will be using the airport, like I made mention earlier. So that's why they are doing it that way. But merely looking at it, you notice that this is just a temporary something. It's not permanent, and is not even like, it's not something to write home about. So they scattered that demarcation, then scatter the gutter, fill up the gutters, the drainage system, then link up the airport road direct to the express, the already completed express road, the one that's heading to Oka. That's the one they have linked it up to. The airport has two double lane. One is going towards Okoso Junction, while one is going towards what's it called, Udmood Junction and the rest. So they link this one towards this side, then link the other one towards this side. So the gutter, they just fill the gutter, then link the whole road direct to that place, then remove the demarcation. Then they are also repainting that particular spot. Then the next thing they did there is that I don't know what they used to call that thing. They put it on the road so that whenever motorists are coming, they will kind of slow down. I don't know whether to call it bumps, but is those rubber ones they used to put maybe three at a row, something like that. So they put it from this side, also put it from this side. But at final conclusion, the whole thing is just a temporary something, because that place is an express, and the rate at which motorists run past there with the speed, I don't think that thing is gonna last. The motorists don't, airport people don't make use of that place, for a kind of steadily, So what I would just like to mention is that it's just a temporary something. It's just a temporary something that that is being done to give the motorists this thing, make the whole road motorable for the returnees that will be coming back. So watch the video and tell me what you think about the whole thing via the comment sections. Let's hear your own opinion. So this is all I have for you guys today from this side, and the other side of it, where they are kind of digging a very big should I say a hole or something. They are still kind of doing their work there. Work is still going on there. I don't know what they actually want to do, whether they still want to extend it down to the Mode Junction or down to somewhere or something. I don't know. So until the whole thing is completed, then we actually know what they are trying to do. But the one I'm seeing right now, um Although I'm just looking at it as something that will be removed after Christmas, because if this thing stays here like this and there comes another rainy season, I'm telling you, this whole thing is gonna be a mess. So that's the only update I have for you guys today. Just watch the video and tell me what you think about it, guys. So the only thing I'm enjoying in this aspect, in this part, is the the maintenance of the airport road down to the airport gate. That is what I'm enjoying on this aspect, not this particular thing. But I'm not kind of condemning the work in totality, because they are just trying to make the place more tolerable for the returnees, and there's no other option, and there is a temporary thing. So they are just doing what I think that is best, for them, and they're more economized. So that is just it. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and kindly share to get to others. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Always subscribe, because about 80% of my viewers are not my subscribers. I just have only about 16% subscribe to my channel. So kindly subscribe to promote the channel, and kindly share. Till we meet again on this channel. Bye. Peace out.